If you want to make your first $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025, you need to have someone who is going to guide you and help you one-on-one along the way, step by step, actually hand-holding you and show you exactly the ropes and the way on how you can exactly go and get results in 2025. Because if you're a beginner watching this video, you need to know what offers are converting, which traffic source is doing really well in 2025, and what kind of upsell take rate it's great on specific offers. Okay, so that's how you can use the economics behind affiliate marketing, so you can put $1 in and get $4 or $5 back. Okay, of course, from all the upsells and everything that is happening on the back end. Okay, so now you don't have to learn anything. All you have to do is you have to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, and show you ropes exactly in 2025 how to get up and running as soon as possible. So let me know. There's my Instagram, my WhatsApp, and my Facebook Messenger and email in the description below.